Dear student, today we are going to learn English activity called Identify the Word. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
I ask one question and then you identify the word and round the word. I written some words on the blackboard. Okay? Then my first question. Show me the name of the fruit.
Mango.
Tell.
Yes.
Mango.
Mango.
Yes, good. You are a good boy. Who is the king of the jungle? Who is the king of the jungle?
Lion.
Lion is the
Lion is the king of the jungle.
good. You are a good boy. National. Show me. Identify the national bird name.
Peacock.
Yes, peacock is the
National bird.
very good. Show me the reading material on that blackboard name. Reading material name.
Book.
Book is, yes, very good. You are a good girl. Show me the domestic animal. Domestic animal.
God.
God is the
Domestic animal.
very good. Who is teaching us in school? Who is teaching in school? Identify. Identify the name. What is the name?
Teachers.
Yes?
Teachers.
Teacher. Good. Mother is marinate us meat. In which pot? Mother is marinate meat us. In which pot? Yes? Yes, Said? What is?
Cooker.
In cooker. Very good. Mother is marinate meat in cooker. Good. What is give us cold water? Who is? Yes? What is the name? Refrigerator.
Refrigerator.
Show me the part of the digestion system. Digestion part name. Show me. What is the name? Intestine. Intestine. What is called in Urdu?
बड़ी आंत और छोटी आंत.
Very good. Like this. Yes. Hot season name. Identify the hot season name.
Summer.
What?
Summer.
Good. Who is control our body? Human body? Yes? What's the name?
Brain.
Brain. Very good. You are a good boy. Clap your hands. You all are good students. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.